Welcome back to ClearTask. Today we are diving into a quick and essential Excel tip. Have you ever worked on a spreadsheet and realized your column headers are taking up too much horizontal space? The solution is simple: vertical text. I will show you exactly how to rotate your text in Excel in just a few clicks. First, open your Excel spreadsheet and type the text you want to adjust into a cell. Once your text is ready, click on that specific cell to select it. Now, look up at the top of your screen to the main Excel ribbon and make sure you are on the Home tab. Within the Home tab, look for the Alignment group. You will find a button called Orientation. It looks like a small letter A and B with a diagonal arrow. Click on the Orientation button. A drop-down menu will appear with several styling options. If you want the letters stacked directly on top of each other, click on Vertical Text. If you prefer the entire word to be rotated sideways, select Rotate Text Up or Rotate Text Down. You can easily test out the angle clockwise or counterclockwise options here too. To make your new vertical text look perfectly professional, use the middle and center alignment buttons right next to the orientation tool. This ensures your text sits perfectly centered inside the cell. Feel free to increase the font size right from the ribbon to make your new header stand out even more. And that is all there is to it. A super simple trick to make your spreadsheets cleaner and much easier to read. If this tip helped you out, please like the video and subscribe to ClearTask for more direct, step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.